So we're gonna do interlock commercial bracing. We're gonna put the purlin supports in. So I start from the bottom and just sort of loosely get one in, get your washer in. Don't tighten it up. Then just work your way up. I kind of look and it's fairly centered there. Now I don't want to tighten this one off completely until I get this other side in. Now this purlin is a 1x2 angle. Depending on the greenhouse that you get, they come in all sorts of shapes, but they all kind of go in the same way. So I don't know if you can tell at the peak there, it looks pretty nicely lined up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I will send it home. Now the last part is a little 1-inch plate. So that goes at the top of the peak to join them together. And that'll also get 3/4 inch bolts, nuts, and washers. And it might be a little bit off. You can move them around and just make it fit snug and nice. You're not gonna break anything. It's not the end of the world. Just make it look pretty. So what I'll do is I'll get my post up. Just hold that, Greg. Pin the top. So what you want to make sure is that you have all your bolts going the same way and work from one way to the other. Don't try to go in. So it's kind of going to go where it goes. You can double check by measuring off of our foundation, kind of the nearest spot. So I'm going to say 46 5/8 to the top. There is my mark. And we are beautiful there. So we're all pinned in there. So we just gotta finish pinning off these bars. And the same as the truss, I'm gonna pull this back and I'm gonna seal in behind this post before I put it in. Then I'm gonna set my pins. And yeah, you're done with that one.